My bird just discovered a new toy. The toy is actually just one of a...
That was a huge fright for everybody.
Alright, so we have a beautiful day in Los Angeles, and this is an amazing...
It was something they hang clothes on.
And we're here to check on Leo. Come on.
I was going to throw it away, and I thought, well, maybe the bird will play with it. Because he thinks he's a monkey half the time anyways, and he's really having fun playing with this throwaway. Like I said, it's just an old hanger, a plastic hanger, and he's enjoying it thoroughly. You don't have to go out and buy expensive toys, just find out what you got around the house. And that seems to solve the problem. He's a crazy bird. He entertains us all day long like this. Sometimes he goes on his back and likes to just lay on his back. In the background, I'm watching Dog whisper. Maybe I ought to have Parrot whisper. My crazy parrot. Pacho, you're a crazy bird. Yes, you are. Oh, you like that new toy. Yeah, that's good. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Pacho's a good boy. Oh, that's so fun, huh? Is that fun? That's fun. You're having such fun. Yes, you are. You got so many toys in your cage, but most of them are just discarded things. I don't buy that many things for you. You're like that. Oh, he's so good. He's a pretty boy. Oh my goodness, Pacho. You're funny. Yes, you are. You're funny. You're having more fun. Yes, you are. Oh, you like that. Good boy. Get it, Pacho. Get it. You think you can break it. It's going to take you a little bit of time to do that because it's very strong plastic. It's a great idea. I wonder if they fell apart on me when I bought them. The hangers didn't last that long. I didn't realize you'd be having so much fun with it. I don't think you're going to stop. I don't know how long this video is going to last. But you're just having a ball. Pacho. Hi, Pacho. Pacho. You're not going to stop, huh? You're very aggressive there, having a lot of fun. Yeah. Yeah, you like that. You like that. That's the first one you really catered to very fast. That's it. Okay, folks, that's it. God bless you. God bless you.